In 2026, adding a clickable link to your Instagram bio remains a crucial way to drive traffic to your website or other online destinations. While Instagram still primarily allows only one link, recent updates offer expanded options, especially for verified accounts. Let's explore how to make the most of this feature, including new capabilities and best practices. Instagram's bio links help bridge social media and your online presence. Profiles display bio information and links clearly for user engagement. Templates can help design effective bio layouts. Verification unlocks advanced features like multiple links. Strong bio links boost engagement and conversions. Adding a link to your Instagram bio is straightforward. First, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the Edit Profile button at the top of your profile page. In the Edit Profile screen, scroll down to find the Website field. Paste your desired URL into the Website field. This can be a direct link or a shortened one. Keep in mind that only the first 30 characters of your link are fully visible in the bio. Tap Save or Done to apply your changes. The link will now be clickable for your followers on both mobile and desktop. Remember, the link must comply with Instagram's community guidelines. If you have a verified Instagram account with 500,000 plus followers or a Meta-verified subscription, you can add up to 3 links in your bio through Bio Links expansion. This feature allows you to direct traffic to multiple destinations without needing third-party link in bio tools. Meta provides built-in analytics directly within the app to track clicks, conversions, and audience demographics for these links. Consider subscribing to Meta Verified for just $11.99 per month to access this and other premium features. Meta's AI assistant, launched in 2025, now suggests optimized links for your bio based on your content. The AI analyzes your posts and recommends relevant links, such as connecting to an e-commerce store when you share product content. For example, if you post about products, the AI might suggest linking to your online store to drive sales. This feature keeps your bio link always relevant and engaging, improving user interaction. Since most Instagram users access the platform on mobile devices, ensure your linked website or landing page is mobile-friendly. A poor mobile experience can lead to high bounce rates and lost opportunities. Use call-to-action phrases like "shop now" or "learn more" in your captions to encourage clicks. While Instagram's native options are improving, third-party tools like Linktree and Milkshake remain popular for creating multi-link landing pages. These platforms allow you to create customized landing pages with multiple links, perfect when you need to direct followers to various destinations. Key benefits include multi-link landing pages for directing traffic to different sites. Customization options let you design pages that match your brand. And advanced analytics provide detailed insights into link performance and audience engagement. Here's an example showing how a bio link connects an Instagram profile to a branded landing page. However, using Instagram's native multi-link feature when you're eligible with verification can provide a more seamless user experience without redirecting through external sites. Your Instagram bio link can seamlessly integrate with other Meta tools like Facebook Shops and WhatsApp. This integration allows for a smoother shopping experience for your followers and streamlines communication. Consider linking to your WhatsApp business profile for direct customer engagement. Looking ahead, the future of Instagram bio links holds exciting possibilities. AI-driven personalization could make links dynamically adapt based on user interactions, location, or behavior. Think geo-targeted offers that change in real time. Metaverse integration might introduce AR-linked bios, allowing users to tap virtual elements in augmented reality through devices like MetaQuest. To stay ahead, keep an eye on Meta's announcements for new features that can enhance your bio link strategy.